Alright, crafty warriors and DIY daredevils. It's your boy, CG Woodworks, and today we're cracking open this RIDGID 860433B, a professional high-temp glue gun. Battery not included, but epic vibes always are. Look at this orange beast. Comes with a gun, 3 swappable nozzles, standard spreader precision, a nozzle wrench, and 5 8-inch glue sticks, ready to party. No battery or charger, but hey, you probably already own half of Home Depot's RIDGID aisle, right? Pop on whichever nozzle fits your mood. The stroke adjustment dial lets you go from dainty bead to glue tsunami. Three temp settings: low for delicate stuff, medium for car interiors and general chaos, high for when you're basically welding wood, plus an LED light so you can glue in the dark like a budget Batman. It's almost time for the 25-pound torture test. I'll be gluing these joints together and picking up a 25-pound weight. Cordless, precise, and tougher than my last diet. If you're tired of your glue guns that quit faster than New Year's resolution, grab the RIDGID R860433B. Hey, and if it ever fails, I'll eat a glue stick on camera. Spoiler, I won't, because this thing is built for a lifetime. Hey, don't forget to hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next video.